So, excuse my fucking filthy cup. We do lots of minis. Not saying I'm a specialist or anything like that, but just see a lot of them, a lot of German shit. And to be fair, most of them are pretty poor. However, not all of them. So this, I've got one here. You can't see, but it's an 07 plate. So it's 12 years old with 10,000 or 11. No, I'm lying. 12,000 genuine miles on it. Coming for a P0343 camshaft correlation fault. Not uncommon on the Mini. A lot of the time it can be a faulty sensor and there's a modified wiring loom and a software update to go with them. It can be all sorts of stuff, stretch chains and stuff. However, this is very low mileage. And if we pan across, hopefully you can see all this. Now, that's the pitting and scoring corrosion. There is the sensor pickup, nicely corroded. That's the cam inlet cam pickup. Exhaust one's not so bad, but has some bits of corrosion. Now this looks like it's all just due to rarely being used, sitting for long periods. But well, fuck knows what we're going to do with this. But I just found it interesting. So P0343 on a very low mileage Mini, Peugeot engine, rotten. The plan is to try and clean it up and see if we can get the fault to go away, and well, we'll see.